Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is a peach pie recipe. Come on and let's get started.
Jamaican, here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
Okay guys, let's get right into it. I have my frozen peaches right there. You want to go ahead and add your sugar in, nutmeg, cinnamon powder, and some vanilla. Then add your melted butter to that, and some raisins. I'm adding raisins to mine, guys. I always put raisins into my peach pie. And just mix that in and set this aside. Okay guys, now you want to go ahead and make the crust for your pie. You want to add a cup and a half of all-purpose flour. You want to add a quarter cup of vegetable shortening, half a teaspoon of salt. Now guys, make sure you have clean hands, and you want to break up that vegetable shortening in with the flour. You want to have it looking like that. Now you're going to get your icy cold water, and you're going to need about 6 tablespoons of icy cold water. Now when your dough looks like that, you want to go ahead and turn it out on your clean surface. Sprinkle a little bit of flour there and start working that in. You're going to get your rolling pin and just add a little bit of flour to that rolling pin and start rolling your dough out. Now with your baking container, you want to go ahead and measure it up to make sure you have the correct size. So that looks pretty good. Then you get your rolling pin and start rolling this over the rolling pin. Then you roll that back out. Now with the edges like this, I'm just going to go ahead and cut those off. So now you're going to go ahead and just turn the ends under. Just push the ends under like that. That is perfect, guys. Exactly how I want it to be. I'm going to go ahead and make the other part, finish up my dish. Now guys, make sure to drain off the excess liquid from off of your mixture before you put it into your pie crust. And smooth that out. Now you just want to go ahead and make thin slices onto your pie crust. Just want to go ahead and just layer it just like that. Brush it up with a little bit of egg white, a little bit of cinnamon on top to top it off, and a little bit of sugar. Okay guys, that is all done. As you can see, it's still bubbling. There you have it, guys. It doesn't get any better than that. There you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It was fast, it was easy, and it was simple. Don't forget to like, share, thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So, see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.